Have you ever looked at an old pair of jeans and thought, it's too old to use again? Maybe the color has faded, maybe the fabric is worn out, maybe it has been sitting in an odd corner for months, waiting to be thrown away. But today we are going to look at old denim differently because sometimes something that looks useless only needs a little creativity to become beautiful again. Today we are talking in old waste denim and transforming it into a wonderful handmade craft. And while we create, let's also take a few peaceful moments for ourselves. Because crafting is not only about making beautiful things, it can also be about slowing down, clearing your mind, and remembering that a small step can create big changes. So let's begin. First, take an old piece of denim. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, the imperfections make it more interesting. The little faded areas, the different shades of blue, and even the old seams can become part of the design. This is the beauty of recycling. We don't always need something new to create something wonderful. Sometimes we simply need to see an old things with new eyes. Before we start cutting, take a moment to prepare your workspace. Clear away anything you don't need. Place your denim, scissors, thread, glue, decorations, and other craft supplies nearby. So viewers, in this video we have shown you something amazing. This is the beauty of recycling. The little faded area, the different shades of blue, and even the old seams can become part of the design. This is the beauty of recycling. We don't always need something new to create something wonderful. Something we simply need to see an old things with new eyes. Before we start cutting, take a moment to prepare your workspace. Clear away anything you don't need. Place your denim, scissor, thread, glue, decoration, and other craft supplies nearby. A clean workspace can make the creative process feel calmer. And remember, there is no need to rush. Take your time, cut carefully, enjoy the process. Now let's begin preparing our denim. Cut away the parts that are no longer useful and keep the good fabric. You can save pockets, seams, waistbands, and even small denim pieces. Never underestimate a small piece of fabric. A tiny scrap can become a flower, a pocket can become a storage, a strip can become a beautiful border. A several small pieces can become together, create something completely new like wreath, and many more you can add. These are also a wonderful lesson for life. We sometimes think that we need everything to be perfect before we can begin, but we don't need. We can start with what we have. We can begin with small steps, and little by little those small steps can become something meaningful. Now let's arrange our denim pieces. Try different shape and sizes, move them around. Look at the colors. See how the darker blue looks beside the lighter blue. There is no single correct design. Let your creativity guide you. If your first arrangement doesn't look right, change it. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Crafting teaches us something beautiful. A mistake does not always mean the end. Sometimes a mistake is simply a new direction. Life works in a similar way. Not everyone's plan will work exactly as we imagine. Sometimes things change. Sometimes we have to start again. And sometimes we discover something even better because our original plan didn't work. So don't be afraid to change your design. Don't be afraid to start again. Take a deep breath, slow down, and continue. Now we can begin joining our denim pieces. As the fabric slowly comes together, notice how separate pieces become one beautiful creation. One piece alone may not look very special, but together they can create something completely different. And that remind us that every small effort matters. One small step today, another small tomorrow, and another the next day. Eventually, those little steps can create something we never thought was possible. While we work, let's take a quiet moment to appreciate what we already have. Look around you. There may be old clothes, old boxes, unused materials, things that you once thought were worthless. But creativity teaches us to look beyond the obvious. Instead of asking, what can I throw away? We can ask, what can I create from this? That simple question can completely change the way we see everything. Everybody see the objects. Mindfulness means paying attention. And it can also help us become more mindful. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment. So while you craft, don't worry too much about yesterday, and don't spend all your energy thinking about tomorrow. For those few moments, simply enjoy what you are doing right now. Feel the fabric, notice the texture, listen to the gentle sound of crafting. Watch your design slowly come together. You don't have to hurry, you don't have to be perfect, just present. Just be present. Now let's add some creative details, like you can use buttons, pearls, lace, ribbons, jute, beads, or the flowers like twig and other leftover decorations. This is where the old denim really begins to transform. And each decoration carefully. Maybe place a few buttons around the edges. Maybe create a small flowers from denim scraps. Maybe add a simple decorative border. There are so many possibilities, and that is one of my favorite things about handmade craft. You are not simply copying something, you are creating sometimes some things that carries your own ideas, your own patience, your own creativity, your own little story. And when someone looks at the finished craft, that may see denim and decoration, but you will know how much time and imagination went into it. That makes handmade things special. As we continue, let's remember another important idea.